check out the new Huracan Evo.
I was going to say Huracan.
Y'all finished with my car yet?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Car Community channel. We're out here at the Car Community Warehouse with LAMBTALK Huracan right behind us. Apparently there's a car show today at Blackstone Steakhouse and we're about to head out over there right now. And tonight we are seeing a special Huracan that just came out. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna start right now with that. Smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. We got some new merch, carcommunity.org, the tricolore Huracan design. So make sure you guys check that out. Let's head to Blackstone. Oh, there we go, LAMBTALK Huracan. What's going on, LAMBTALK? Let's put you in sport. And we got a 34-minute traffic drive ahead of us. Let's go. All right, everybody, we finally made it here to Blackstone Steakhouse car show. And we've got the LAMBTALK Huracan parked right behind us. Let's take a look at what cars they have at the show this year at Blackstone 2019. Crazy are the cars at this car show this year. Now look, Bob Car King pulled up in the Aventador S. This thing is absolutely insane. Look at that. I see you. I see you. I see you. That's gonna end it for us over here at Blackstone Car Show. Look at this beautiful 720S. I love this color. This thing is insane. Best halal food in New York. Kebab Express right here. Not no halal cars, this is the place. The food was absolutely amazing over here at Kebab Express. This is gonna end it for me over here. We're heading out to New York City. Actually, Rico's house first, and we're heading out to New York City to see the Huracan Evo. Let's go.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Car Community vlog. Welcome. We're about to shoot an Evo. I'm excited.
Evo, Mitsubishi Evo, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go. So we've made it here to Manhattan Motor Cars, guys. Check out the new Huracan Evo. This thing looks sick. And they also have an Aventador SVJ right behind us in this sick matte red. So they have the Evo Spider right here and their Evo Coupe. Mike, what do you think?
I like it a lot.
You like it a lot? What do you think, LAMBTALK Huracan or Evo?
Evo, dog.
Should we do the change? Should we do the change? Should we switch LAMBTALK Huracan for the brand new Evo? What do you guys think? LAMBTALK Huracan sitting right here in the back. We're leaving her over here at Manhattan Motor Cars. We're hopping in the Audi e-tron.
It's Tony Stark's car, bro.
Really? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This thing literally sounds insane for being a stock car. It's in Corsa.
Corsa.
Oh my god. The Lamborghini Huracan in this sick yellow is sitting right here. It's actually for sale. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out Manhattan Motor Cars. They have a Huracan 580 and a gloss red Aventador SVJ, very similar to the other SVJ that we saw a couple minutes ago. But instead, this is gloss and the other one's satin. How crazy is Manhattan Motor Cars dealership? One of the craziest dealerships in New York. If you guys are in town, make sure you check it out. And there it is, guys, the Audi e-tron. There's our car. Move your stuff. Oh my god! Look at that shit. I wish we could. GTR flames. Look what's here. Elevator Boss's Urus. Wow. He just got this car actually. And there's another Urus here with the carbon fiber trunk. Look at that. So this is the car we are hopping in, the all new Audi e-tron. Look at the interior in this thing. It's sick. What's up, Musa?
What's up?
What do you think about this car?
Can't say anything yet. It's my first time.
Fully electric.
Yeah.
Wow, that thing sounds sick.
how do you? I know. I still gotta say Huracan. Huracan.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have one of these cars actually.
You do? Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it. I have one. This is it.
Where do you keep it?
We call her LAMBTALK. You like that?
Love it.
This women right there. I bet you they'll leave their man. I bet you. I'll get the.
Who, them?
I bet you.
For the car?
You're like, wow, you heard it said? I said, I bet you, huh?
For the car?
What? If I was to pull it off and stay by that car and flirt with them? Y'all finished with my car yet? Time to go. I know, man. You're gonna take it back. Oh! God.
How do you like it?
This is an orgasm.
There, you guys start it then. Here, put your foot on the brake and then just press the start button.
Thank you.
Sure. There.
Yo, you just made his dreams come true.
Just wrap. You got this is what a wrap.
Wow. So now we're getting in the beautiful Huracan Evo. Wow, these seats are pretty comfortable in this new interface. I don't know how to use this, but let's click auto. There we go. That should work. Put it in Strada so we can talk. Same steering wheel, very similar, but this has the Alcantara on it. You have a very similar display, but this one actually has an automatic start-stop right here. It has the window, parking sensors, traction control, front lift, and the left side mirror. There's a full display center in the center now where you can control radio, climate, your vehicle settings, parking aid, speed warning, Bluetooth, navigation, sound, anything you want to do, you can control it from the center console now. Right when we click sport mode, the valves open up in the exhaust. Like literally this car sounds insane. Let's give it a couple revs. Wow. We can't go too high because we're in the middle of the city right now. And then when you put it into Corsa, the valves open up even more and you have a full change of the digital dash, similar to the Huracan Performante. This car is literally insane. It's so different from the other Huracan that we might add this to the channel. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Should we trade in the LAMBTALK Huracan for the brand new Huracan Evo?
Go on.
Oh my god.
What? Is that to charge it?
Yeah.
Oh god. This thing is insane. Ready to turn the Lambo on? First time.
First time. I'm so excited. Ready? Ready for this?
Alright, foot on the brake.
Foot on the brake.
Lift this thing up
Lift this thing up.
like a fighter jet and press start.
Ready? Woo!
And put in Corsa.
Corsa? Wait, how do you do that?
Click it down.
Oh, down, yeah.
And rev it.
How do you rev it?
Press the gas.
Oh yeah, the gas. Ready?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Alright, no more. No more. No more. You want to race? Oh, he beat you. You missed it, Musa.
It's yellow, red.
Red, so changes to sport.
Sport is orange.
What? And Strada? Bro, that's sick. Perfecto. We just made it back here to Manhattan Motor Cars. What a great experience in the Huracan Evo. Want to give a big shout out to Rob. Rob, big shout out to you. Thank you.
Anytime,
man. Yeah. And
Hi, I'm Jordan.
hi, Jordan. Jordan got to start her first Lamborghini today.
Yes.
Did you like
Great
it?
experience. I I could never go back
Exactly.
to my car.
How crazy was the Huracan Evo? I'm gonna end my vlog over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. We got some new merch, link in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.